After 4 years since the implementations of the headlight lens restoration and protection project, it was officially launched February 2015, full support of the Transportation Department. The banner reads, Technical Section, Transportation Department Technical Support Section had initiated the headlight lens restoration and protection for all Dubai municipality vehicles. The old, blurred, cloudy and deteriorated lens of headlight can now be restored like brand new again without replacing it. Maintaining the clear visibility and brand new look of headlight lens will make driving at night more safety and comfortable. Highest officials of Transportation Department attended, no less than the director, the section heads, unit heads, floor managers, and some guests. A young Emirati showed demonstration of headlight lens restoration as a technical support section contribution to the Emiratization program of the United Emirates government. The initiative and objectives of the headlight lens restoration and protections are: reduce the cost of headlight replacement, reduce the night accident due to poor visibility, reduce the plastic pollution in the environment, increase Dubai municipality staff technical knowledge, and provide sufficient illumination when driving the vehicle at night. The young Emirati continues to amaze the officials by showing his headlight lens restoration talent skillfully while chatting and even joking with them. Compliment given was the opportunity to be posted in the Wall of Fame at the reception area as one of the featured staff in Transportation Department. Once again, thank you for watching mga parts. Subscribe, like and comment, and click the notification bell for more Pards Dwin in Dubai videos. See you in my next video. May God bless everyone.